Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Preet Birang. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is related to creating this beautiful hairstyle which is called as half up ponytail or also half note ponytail. This is one of my favorite hairstyle and it is also my one of the go-to hairstyle. This hairstyle has been worn by so many popular celebrities in so many award functions like Ariana Grande, Kim Kardashian, Beyonce, and so many other popular celebrities. You don't have to curl your hair for creating this hairstyle. If you have a straight hair, then also you can wear this hairstyle. But whereas when it comes to me, I love this hairstyle in curly hairs. This hairstyle is for both the people who have curly hairs or the straight hairs, but I especially prefer my hair to be curly in this hairstyle, so that's why I always curl my hair before making this hairstyle. So in this video I have pre-curled my hairs, but again I'm mentioning you don't have to curl your hair. You can also wear this hairstyle if you have super straight hairs. So after curling my hair, the next thing which I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be picking up few hairs from my crown area, the half hairs from your crown area, and then secure them using a rubber band. Just make sure you are securing it really nicely that your hairs does not come out. Now the important step over here is that you don't have to make a complete ponytail. You have to just stop in between to create a messy bun. Like you can see it in the video the way I am doing. You just have to create a messy bun over here. You can secure those hairs using a bobby pin or using any other U-shaped pins, and then make sure that you're just creating a messy bun over there. And there you go, this is the final hairstyle. Did you see it just took like 2 minutes to create this hairstyle? You can definitely create this hairstyle if you're running late for work, for any outing, or for just going anywhere. You can just create this hairstyle and it looks super cute in all the outfits. For the next hairstyle, you have to again pick few hairs from the crown area and just make sure that you're not combing your hairs when you're picking them up. Just let them be messy, because I feel like messy hairs look super sexy and they look too good, and that's why I always keep my hairs a little messy. What you have to do is just use a rubber band, secure your hairs using a rubber band, make a full ponytail of those half hairs. There you go. That's your final hairstyle. See, it just took 1 minute to create this hairstyle. And this is my favorite hairstyle. Like I mentioned, I can do it every single day. It looks super good on me. So that was all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys find this video super easy peasy and super helpful. If you actually did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. I am signing off from this video. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.